What is intelligent design? In this video, we explain what intelligent design is and establish the following thesis. Thesis 1. Intelligent design is a scientific theory. 2. Intelligent design identifies the activity of intelligence via the presence of complex independently specified functional information, CISFI. Definition: CISFI is a. Information that is b. complex, c. independently specified, and d. functional. Example 1. Software. A computer program has a. information. The information is b. complex, so it cannot arise by random chance. It is c. independently specified, i.e., the software code is not determined by the physics of the pixels on your laptop screen. And d. it is functional, i.e., the arrangement of the letters and numbers in the software creates a purposeful function, e.g., calculate the value of pi to 200 digits. Example 2. Cake recipe. A. The recipe has information. B. The arrangement of pixels to create each letter. And then the arrangement of letters and words in the sentences used in the cake recipe are too complex to arise by random chance. C. The letters and words in the recipe are independently specified, i.e., they are not determined by the physics of the laptop pixels. And D. The information in the recipe is functional, i.e., the recipe information serves the function of enabling you to make a cake. Details. Intelligent design, ID, is a scientific theory. See our videos titled, Intelligent Design is Scientific, and Intelligent Design is Science. We commonly use complex independently specified functional information, CISFI, to recognize the action of intelligence. ID theory merely recognizes and quantifies this fact. We commonly use CISFI to identify intelligent design, i.e., the activity of intelligent agents rather than natural law or random chance. Examples: CISFI used to identify ID. 1. Archaeologists use CISFI to identify an inscription on a stele or a rock as having been created by intelligence. Similarly with the Easter Island heads and Stonehenge. 2. Cryptographers use CISFI to recognize an intelligently coded hidden message, by a foreign spy for instance. 3. Forensic scientists use CISFI to locate and identify criminals. 4. Forensic DNA scientists use CISFI to identify a criminal whose DNA was left on the murder weapon. 5. Patent examiners use CISFI to identify plagiarism of patents and patent claims. 6. Patent litigators use CISFI to identify plagiarism of patents and patent claims. 7. Patent litigators use CISFI to identify plagiarism of a technological process, or structure, or software design, by one company, from that of another company or inventor. 8. Intellectual property litigators use CISFI to identify plagiarism of intellectual property, by one company, from that of another company or inventor. 9. Copyright examiners use CISFI to identify plagiarism of the text in a manuscript or other written material. 10. University copyright investigators use CISFI to identify plagiarism of the text in a manuscript or other written material. 11. Music plagiarism investigators use CISFI to identify plagiarism of the lyrics or the music in a musical composition, or a song. 12. SETI uses CISFI to identify the presence, or absence, of intelligent signals from aliens on other planets, or star systems in our galaxy. Therefore, it is very clear that we use CISFI to identify the presence of intelligent design in a wide variety of fields. Intelligent design theory recognizes this fact, and it quantifies and formalizes the procedures for such identification of intelligent design. Conclusion. 1. Intelligent design, ID, is a scientific theory. 2. ID theory identifies the activity of intelligence via the presence of complex independently specified functional information. Appendix: Intelligent design is science. Details: Some critics of intelligent design, ID, claim that ID is not science. However, their claim is false for the following reasons. Reasons: 1. The case for ID is based on empirical evidence. 2. Advocates of ID use established scientific methods. 3. ID is testable theory. 4. The case for ID exemplifies historical scientific reasoning. 5. ID addresses a specific question in evolutionary biology. 6. ID is supported by peer-reviewed scientific literature. For the reasons listed above, intelligent design is science. For further discussion of the reasons, see Signature in the Cell, DNA and the Evidence for Intelligent Design by Stephen C. Meyer, chapter, But Is It Science? Pages 396 to 415. Conclusion. 1. Intelligent design is science. 2. Intelligent design, ID, is a scientific theory. 3. ID theory identifies the activity of intelligence via the presence of complex independently specified functional information. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.